Hello, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be making Nigerian jollof rice. Those who have eaten my jollof rice before testify to the fact that my jollof rice is a banger. But there is a secret to it. Actually, a ritual I perform that raises the taste of the rice from 30 degrees to 360 degrees. So stick through to the end of the video to find out my secret for a delicious Nigerian jollof rice. So I begin by cooking my proteins. I season with some curry powder, ginger and garlic powder, seasoning powder, thyme, and a half scotch bonnet pepper just for heat. Add some onions and salt. Mix properly and cook without water for some minutes. This is 7 minutes after. Now look how good the chicken is. I'm stirring again to be sure the whole ingredients come together. Now I taste for salt. So good. I'll be adding some water to cook till they are tender. Cover and allow to cook. While the meat is cooking, I move over to season my shrimps. I season with some seasoning powder, garlic and ginger powder, and a little salt. Stir to combine and set aside. Because there is no time to check time, I dive into preparing my pepper mix. I have my fresh ginger and garlic, tomatoes which I will be cutting into chunks so I don't stress my blender, sweet pepper, paprika pepper. I've already removed their seeds, of course you know why, and 2 scotch bonnet pepper. Feel free to add more peppers if you wish. I'm trying so hard to mind my business, guys, but the aroma of this chicken is irresistible. So let's see what's happening there. Wow, it's ready to be fried. You can also grill. Now I move over to blend my pepper mix. Our pepper mix is ready. I'm frying my chicken now. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes. I don't really like it that's crunchy for this particular recipe. I'll go ahead to add little of the oil used for the chicken to fry my shrimps. Now I'm done frying the shrimps. I'm adding more oil to prepare the tomato sauce for the rice. Allow the oil to heat up. Pour in the onions. Add some salt and stir fry. Pour in the blended ingredients and allow to fry. This takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Though it depends on the quantity you are making. Of course, little quantity will take lesser time. You know the tomatoes are cooked when you start seeing oil on the top. I'll go ahead to add tomato puree just to enhance the color. I'll be adding 2 sachets of tomato puree. I add some bay leaves. Just know that after adding the tomato puree, like, the real work begins, so because you have to be stirring for every 10 seconds. This is to prevent it from burning. Now I tested off camera and found out that the sour taste is no longer there. So I'm going to be adding seasoning cubes, some seasoning powder, and the chicken stock. Stir thoroughly. And our stew is ready. I'm bringing out some portions to be used later. We are getting to the interesting part of this video. Just keep watching. Because there is no waste in my dictionary, I know they like waste. So I rinse the pot I used to cook the chicken and pour into the stew. I stir and add some salt and water. Cover to boil. Now I'm adding my osikapa. I'm adding the rice. Mix properly with the stew, then cover. Add water gradually. But if your rice is this stubborn type, like, you can add much water than I added to mine though, and cover. This time the rice is almost done, but a bit strong. So I add back the stew. Mix to combine. I tasted and there is need for more salt, so I'll go ahead and add some salt. Guys, you need to come closer to my house. Everywhere is stewing right now. Everywhere it's stewing. Everywhere. I cover the pot with aluminum foil. Off camera though. Now I'm about doing the ritual. I'll be using carrots, green pepper, spring onion, but the principal ingredient is the green pepper. In a pan I have little vegetable oil. Now I am adding salt and little seasoning. Add green pepper and fry for a minute, so it releases its flavor into the oil. The flavor of the green pepper is the real ritual. Lastly, the spring onion, though only the white parts. I am back to my rice. It's done already, so combine everything to make sure the taste is even. Now add the veggies and combine. My people. You be like say this camera self dey lie you, because if you see the color of this rice in reality, the redness is good, not top notch. Add the shrimps and combine everything, and our jollof is ready. Tip: you can make the tomato sauce a day before, just to save time while cooking. Please subscribe, like this video, comment and share. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.